Pro Cloud Whiteboard. The whiteboard is your personal staging area for products, tasks, contacts, and more, where they can all be reviewed, vetted, transferred, and a bunch of other tasks as well. Let's take a look. Close out of some of our windows here. The whiteboard is easily accessed from your project tab, and you can see a new whiteboard button. If I click, our whiteboard comes up, and lo and behold, there are our two new captured items. We can go ahead and review the information that we just captured quite easily by using the edit button. Let's go ahead and review our desk first. Again, click the edit button as indicated by the pencil icon, and that brings up our whiteboard item. And right here, we can see so much of the information that we've already entered from our product clipper. So I had the project set to our Lakewood home. Location, I could add one now if I desire. Let's go ahead and put that into the office. Group, my sales category is coming over for me. Client description, I can leave blank for now if desired, and you'll see why in a moment, along with the purchase order description. That's going to be used again in conjunction with our item name in both the client and purchase order description, so I can optionally leave those blank if desired. Then along the bottom, we had our cost that we brought over from the website. And any information that I want to change here, I can do so as well. So right now, my whiteboard item is allowing me to review the information, change the information, all while keeping it in our whiteboard staging area. And by clicking OK, I'm saving my changes to it. Now, from here, I can click the Update or Create button. And when I do so, I have all of my share and create options, and you can see there's quite a few here. Create item, create inventory item, duplicate, etc. If I want to go ahead and commit or move my item from the whiteboard to the actual project, I can go ahead and hit the Create Item selection. Design Manager says the new item will be created in the project. I click OK to confirm. And Design Manager now alerts me that the new item in our TESO1 project has been created successfully. Do you wish to open it now? Sure, let's go ahead and review. And here is our item now in our Lakewood home. Our item name came over as we'd imagined, the location, of course. All of our sales category and other information we entered on the whiteboard came with it. Our client deposit and pricing information all came from the project. So my project is configured for 50% deposit. Design Manager calculates that for me. It also calculates the pricing for us based on my 30% markup for this particular project. And my purchase order name and description is also being set to the oak desk as well. If we go ahead and close our item, let's take a look just to verify in our project specifications for our Lakewood project. Sort this back. There is our French Art Deco desk. So we've used our product clipper to quickly source our information from our desired website. That imports it into our whiteboard where we can then vet it, manipulate it, add to it, expand upon it, change it, and then commit it to the project itself. Let's take a look at our Abbott bar now. Go ahead and edit with our pencil button. And here, like I said, when we're using the product clipper, I can put as much information in from the product clipper, or I could change it on the whiteboard as well. So I could commit this to our Lakewood project. We can go ahead, put this in family room, sales category, we'll select as furniture, etc. As much information as I want to use right here. If I click OK, all of that information is saved, and our Abbott bar is still remaining on my whiteboard. Well, perhaps I want to send this over to the senior designer for this project just so they can review all of the information. We can do that from our whiteboard as well. So not only is the staging area for all of my concepts, I can now share these concepts with our other team members. So if I go back to our Share and Create Options button, I can see the selection to transfer to another user. So if I want to go ahead and send my Abbott bar over for a further vetting with another team member, or in my case, the senior designer, I can just go ahead and select that option and send it right off to Lindsay Paoli. Click transfer, and just like that, Design Manager alerts me that the transfer was successful, and lo and behold, the Abbott bar is off of my whiteboard and is now over on Lindsay's, waiting for her to review it herself. So not only is the whiteboard your personal area, it's an inner office collaboration tool as well.